hey, I'm heading into my monthly executive leadership team. Give me the ARR and customer summary month to date and year to date. This is a common thing, right? I want to be prepared with the data. I want to have data-driven conversations with my executive team, and then go ahead and action it from there. So we'll go ahead and let this play out here for a second. You'll find with the LLMs, it will give you some interesting insights about your business. It will detect trends and themes, and here I'm saying, give me some highlights and lowlights. I use this, in my role just to kind of uncover, the blind spots. Obviously I come into these meetings with my own preconceived notions and my own bias, right? But you'll find that the LLMs will give you more unbiased information, and especially if you give it that type of instruction. So here you can see it's saying, here's your numbers. Like, here's the metrics that you care about. This is what's changed in your business, the main stats. Now this is pulling, the core reports out of Maxio, things that, your finance team would be running for you. You might be getting, in a batch at some point in time. Interesting highlights about the business, lowlights, calling out where you've had some steep changes, some churn, some risk, and then giving you some points to talk about. Hey, for sales, you need to talk to your sales leadership about this, your customer services team, we should talk about this, in areas of your business that you should focus in on based off what we're seeing. So now I'm like, this is great. I want to give my ELT a heads up that I'm going to be talking about these things. Well, instead of me reading all of this and coming up with an email, I'm just saying, go ahead and take this and draft the email for me. So we'll go and let that play out. Here we go. Let's create a nice draft summarizing what's happened in the business, the kind of questions that I'm coming in to the business with. And then I've also said, go ahead and create me a deck. Now this is connecting the tools. So I use Gamma. I think it's a phenomenal PowerPoint generation tool. Throwing it to a PowerPoint isn't the best workflow for me, but those options are available. I mean, there's multiple options now with this tooling. So here we go. I've created a Gamma, which is my PowerPoint, and you can see already, visually it's great.